ADT Blu Review and Buyer's Guide. Everything you need to know about ADT's new DIY smart home security system. ADT launched ADT Blu, a self-installed smart security system offering cameras, sensors, app control, and optional professional monitoring with Google integration. ADT Blu is a modular self-installed security system managed through the ADT Plus app, offering flexible smart home protection with optional expansion and professional monitoring. ADT Blu includes AI-powered video features designed to improve event detection, reduce false alerts, and identify meaningful home security activity more accurately. ADT Blu allows free self-monitoring with optional 24/7 professional monitoring, giving users flexible, lower-cost security that can expand over time. ADT Blu does not support Google Nest cameras or doorbells, but works with devices like Google Nest Hub, Nest thermostats, and Yale smart locks through the ADT Plus app. ADT Blu targets modern smart home users with app-based controls, AI features, DIY installation, expandable hardware, and smart device compatibility. ADT Blu offers standalone cameras starting at $69, while security packages range from $249 to $389 with customizable system options. With the launch of ADT Blu, many existing Blu by ADT customers may wonder what happens to their current systems. Fortunately, ADT says that current Blu by ADT systems will continue to work normally. According to ADT, as we introduce a new suite of DIY security products, Blu by ADT systems will no longer be marketed and sold. Existing Blu customers can still manage accounts, access support, and buy additional products.
Go to GearBrain for more information.